Hi guys, let me teach you how to design a fashion design flyer using PixelLab. So let me go to my size. In my size, I will put 1024 as a size, and then I will go to here and then edit the text. I'll go to color, background color. I'll go to main color and I'll choose this color as the background color. So now what I will do is I will go to shape. I'll create a shape like this. For the color of the shape, I will put this. Let me just make it a little bit darker. So I will put the color scheme on the description menu so that you can actually use it for your practical sake. So for this, I will go to shape and I will create a kind of shape here. Writing this. So I'll increase the radius to be this. And just kind of writing it like this. So for the color of the shape, I will pick this and then I'll go for stroke here. Let me put 2 at the stroke, and then for the color of the stroke should be white. Yeah, so here we go. You can actually see how I create the stroke, the shape. So I will do another shape here, and then for this shape I will turn it to this axis. Yeah, let me see. So I need it to be very well aligned. Let me just create a kind of radius. Then I will go to gradient color. I'll pick this gradient color. You can actually do your own style of gradient color the way you like it actually. I know by now you know how to play with the gradient colors. So here we go. I will go with stroke to be 2. Then I will go with white stroke. Yeah, I think here we go. So now the next thing that I will do is I'll create another shape here. On this shape, I will just put it to be around this axis. Yeah, I think here we go with this. Let me see, I'm gonna increase the radius of this also to be, let's say 8. And then I will go with a stroke, which is white stroke. I'll go with a white stroke, and then for the color of the shape should be this. Let me increase this radius to like, let's say 25. Yeah, here we go. So I will just do something here. So here we go with this. So let me just align all of them to the center. Yeah, let me align them to the center. Sorry, not this. Yeah, at the center now. So this one is here, so I don't need this one to be here, I think. Let me just build it to the each size. Yeah, so here we go. I will go to text and then type the text, which is IB fashion, I guess letters. And for this I will go to what again, the font. I'll choose a kind of font. Let me go with a kind of, let me choose a font. Where is this font? So here's the font. I will choose this, and then for the color of the font, let me choose black. I will use black color. Yeah, so I will just make it to be this. Should I expand it? Yes, let me expand it. So let me just drag it towards here, and then I'll go to text, write another one here, which is on design center. Package letters, drag them to this, then go to fonts, turn regular, and for the color I will choose black, and then I will just kind of reduce the size and then fix it toward here. I need to increase the size. It's looking somehow. I need to increase the size. Yeah, let me just align it like this. Yeah, I think we can go with this, but let me just, yeah, I think we can go with this. So let me write this logon, I'll be the tag, style that speaks. Yeah, so I'll fix it towards here. And for the color I'll fix it, and then I will go to fonts and then choose not regular, and then I will go to background. I will choose a background, increase the left handle and then the right handle. So for the color of the background I'll choose black, and let me see. Then for the radius I will choose this as the radius. So I will just decrease the size. Let me decrease the size, and then I will fix it towards here. Let me fix it to the center. Although I can decide to expand it a little bit. Yeah, so here we go. Now the next thing is I'll put the text here. I have already copied the text. I'll just put it like this. So for this, the color should be black, and then the font should be Newton regular. Then I'll reduce the size. Yeah, I think we can go with this. Yeah, I think we can go with this. So I can copy this and then write our service. Should I write our service? Okay, yes, our services. Alright, I will fix it towards here. Although the color should be this color. Okay, this color. I think even this, let's make it to be that color also. Alright, now what will happen is, let me see the aligning. Now what is remaining? Okay, style as fix. Fix. So I will just kind of fix it like this. So I think we are good to go with this. So now I will create a boxes. I just create a box here like this. Tag it here. Then I'll increase the radius. So the box. Increase the radius, and then I will, yeah, let me just leave it like that. Let me increase the size. Alright, so I will do the same box, 4 boxes. So you can see how I create this 4 boxes, and then you can see how I actually align it. I use the ruler in order to align it, so you can actually try that. So let's proceed. Now I will import the, so here's the image, the first one. I will go with this, the first one. Then I'll fix it toward here. Let me say to the back. Okay, let me just reduce the size first. Then I'll land it to the back. Okay, now I will go with the second one again. So this one too, I will decrease the size and then fix it toward here. And then for this one, I will go make it to the back also. But what would happen is I will drag it here. So I will go with the third one now. There we go. There we go. So here we go. I will decrease the size and then fix it toward here. I'll fix it toward here. So what I will do now is I'll drag this one to the back side. Let me just drag it to the back first, and then I will go here and drag the layer to here. Yeah, so here we go. So for this one, I will just go to texture. For the shapes, I'll go to texture. So this is our first texture. I'll just pick it like this. Then you can actually see how it is textured. So I'll do for all of the images, the shapes. So you can actually see how I created this. So now I will go to text again. So here is it. I wrote the thing that we're supposed to do, to write. So I'll go to color and then choose black. White. I'll go for it, and then for the fonts I'll go for neutral regular, and then I'll just drag this one to the down a little bit. Yeah, so I'll just put this here, although I don't need it to like pop up very much. Maybe I can put it here. Yeah, let's just put it here. So I'll increase the size. Let me see if I make them uppercase letters. Yeah, it's good. So now what remains is just the location and then the phone number. So I'll just write it because of time. So here is just how to, design a fashion design flyer using your PixelLab. Thank you very much for your time. Please, if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing to this YouTube channel for more videos on how to design using your smartphone. Thank you very much for your time. See you on the next tutorial. You can go and do some edition using PicsArt and then Lightroom. So thank you very much. See you on the next tutorial. Thank you.